I gotta find a specific pencil. But I see. I love you. Aw, thanks, Fridge. I love you too. Hello. Okay. You. Are you? Oh. Let's fix that, shall we? L-O-V-E. I love you. I love you too, Fridge.
Either way, I think you'll feel more at ease with this layout.
Thank you. Oh, thank goodness. The fridge is still saying it loves me. You're the only one who cares. Only one, Fridge. Fridge-chan. Don't ever leave me. You haven't even told me you love me yet. Baka. Anyway. Oh, Mita. Are you okay? My darling. You're buying my... it's not what it looks like. Look, I know I said I love you to her, but she's nothing compared to you, Mita. Hello! Oh, she didn't see anything. I love you. Fridge, my beloved. Beyond the world. My love. You're not her. You're not the same Fridge. No! My Fridge said I love you. Anyway.